Here's the Toyota Highlander. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not the front door. So let's get started with the rear left door. Open the door and right over there is the switch. All you have to do is just push the switch down to activate the feature, and now the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside. However, on the inside, once I close the door, lock, unlock, doesn't matter, I will not be able to open the door. So how am I gonna get out? I'm gonna slide over there and open that door because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. So let's go ahead and get out. Open this door from outside, push the switch back up to deactivate the feature, and now it's back to normal. I can open it from outside, and on the inside, when I close the door in the lock position, I should not be able to open. Unlock, I should be able to open, and yes, I can. Repeat the process for the right side door. Open the door, same switch, same position right there, just push it down to activate the feature. I can still open it from outside, and on the inside, no matter what I do, I should not be able to open, and I cannot. So how am I gonna get out? You already know it. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately for both the doors. You don't want the child to just slide onto the other side, open the other door and get out and cause any issues. So for now, let's just go ahead and open this door. Open the right side door from outside, push the switch back up to deactivate the feature. Back to normal, I can open it from outside, and on the inside lock position, I should not be able to open. Unlock, I should open, and yes, I can. And that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.